Hi! This is a bit weird. I'm filming from my MacBook camera because I don't have my camera, so yeah, I'm just gonna work with what I got. So today a package arrived and I'm just gonna show you what it is. So I got a package from Korea and it is the GOT7 album. It's the new GOT7 album. It's the new GOT7. It's the new GOT7 album, okay? So today we're gonna do an unboxing of it and I am so excited because I wanna know what photo card I get. So yeah, and obviously listen to the music because their new album, their songs are really good. So let's begin. Yeah. Okay. So lately, I don't know what to do with my hair. It's in that weird, awkward growing out phase, so my best solution is to just put it in pigtails and put a hat on, and we're good to go. So you should try it. I think it's really cute. Pigtails are cute. So let's do this. Just an Amazon order thing. I'm so excited. Oh my god, that's so nice. Okay, nothing else. Okay. They think I got candy. They gave me candy because I'm sweet. Okay, I'm so annoying. Okay, let's do this, you guys. Let's do this. The thing that sucks about editing on my MacBook is that I cannot stop and edit it. It's just gonna be one full video. So this is me, the real me. Ooh. Okay. Oh! It's raining men. What? Okay. Anyways. Oh, I got candy. Oh my god. Ah. Oh my goodness. My friend is gonna kill me. She loves him. Jin Young and Jenny is Jen Young. Okay, what is this? I don't know what this is. You guys saw it? Okay, so there's Jin Young, and then it's them on the back. Cool! Wait, I'm an idiot. I think it's all of the members. Or is it just one? It's all of it. No, it's... Oh, shush! Shut up! I'm so dumb. I thought it was only one person. Ah, I'm so stupid, but it's all of them, I think. Am I missing 4? It's all of them. Oh, how exciting! Okay. I'm so excited. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. They're all so cute. Oh boy. Look at, oh, so cute. So cute. Oh, okay. I got too excited. So much bubble wrap. Is this the poster? I got a poster. Wow! Wow, so cool! Yay! I'm so excited! Ah! Oh, yay! I don't know what to say. School is hard. Just living life, you know. Okay. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, okay. Oh, wow! That's cool! Oh, it's so cool. Wow! It's like, you know, like when you buy the anime series, they have like the anime DVDs and like the cover. I don't know, I just had like the nostalgic moment. Yeah, anyways. Wow, so cool. Wow! Wow! Oh, this is so exciting! this? I'm so confused. This is what? Did it break? Is it supposed to be like this? What's the CD? Yeah. Oh wow, so pretty. Oh my god, it's a compass. That's cool. Wow, this is so strange. Like it's a cardboard. This is cool. Why? I hate this. I hate filming on my camera, on my laptop. This is cool. I don't know what this is. This is cool. Very cool. Very cool. Well, I don't know what this is. Anybody know what this is? I don't know what it is. It's asking me a lot of information. Yeah. This is a photo book. Oh. I got a photo card. And I bet it's Jackson. That's not Jackson! Oh, so cute! Look at him! I'm so stupid! So cute. I'm such an idiot. I hate that. Oh, it's so cute! Look, so cute. Oh, it's so cute. I'm dying. Can someone help me? So cute. I don't know what to do with my life anymore. This is cool. It's like a ticket. Wow. Wow. GOT7. Literally. They have a ticket to my heart. I hate this camera thing. It's so cute. This is a photo book. Wow, so cool. I'm so excited to listen to their album. I'm so excited. Wow, wow, beautiful. Oh, more. Okay, I downloaded this app because I wanted them to reply to me, but they haven't replied to me, so I'm kind of sad. Notice me, GOT7. Wow! Hello! Oh, so beautiful. Do you guys want me to like show you everything in this or? It's so cute. I love you. Oh, there's my boyfriend. I love him. I love you. I love all of GOT7. They're crazy. Oh wow, so beautiful. Look at them. Oh, so handsome. Oh, so cute. I can't believe that they are living in this world that we live in. God protect GOT7. Oh, there's more. What is this? I don't know. It's a Korean thing. This is Genie. It's not Jenny, it's Genie. You guys. Beautiful. 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 I'm so excited to listen to it. Oh my god. It's so nice. Oh, so nice. So pretty. I'm in a mess in my room. I'm so happy with everything. I'm so excited. I'm gonna just stop recording and I'm listening to my music. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this lame unboxing and me fangirling for GOT7. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thanks for watching!